sifting through hundreds of extra photos, dealing with wasted memory space and lost battery life, we decided it was time to improve the GoPro experience. Introducing GoHawk, a new way to capture the action. The GoHawk is an expansion pack that adds exciting new features to your GoPro Hero 4. The GoHawk is a plug-and-play solution that adds an external shutter switch, remote LED indicator, and allows you to connect a USB power input so you can shoot all day. With the GoHawk, you can use any type of remote shutter trigger, including bite, tongue, and handlebar switches. Set your camera to continuous or burst photo modes to grab high-quality still photos of the action and or the action. Our flexible LED indicator lets you know when you are ready to shoot and when to add the auxiliary battery. The red LED mimics the camera's record and shutter lights, no matter what mode you are shooting in. The GoHawk uses a side latch to secure to the back of the GoPro Hero 4 to ensure that it stays put. The design is compatible with existing GoPro cases. The GoHawk is perfect for action sport photographers and videographers who want more control over their shooting. After 10 long months of development, we created a better solution that works right out of the box, requiring no additional software.
Ken, what do you need? We got this.
Built-in waterproof storage, ProGrip keeps your batteries, SD cards, and other important items safe and dry. The top section allows you to mount your GoPro remote for simple one-handed operation. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, while the aggressive rubber grip ensures it doesn't slip away. ProGrip has enough buoyancy to float the GoPro and remote, making it ideal for shooting in water. The top section ejects from the body, providing an additional ultra-compact grip. A removable plate is included for use with the strap mount and provides mounting capabilities to a backpack or scuba BCD. ProGrip offers everything you need for your next adventure.
Hello, my name is Gary and I'm a GoPro fanatic. I'm truly stoked today to introduce a new device that I've been using with my GoPro LCD backpack.
Remote View P1 transforms your LCD backpack into a wearable device that provides a live view of your GoPro video wirelessly and also allows you to control your camera remotely. Combined with the touch capabilities of the LCD backpack, it makes it so much easier to change the settings on the go. With the Remote View P1 ergonomic design that sticks to your body and its water and shockproof capabilities, it completely frees your motions to go to the extra extreme.
Scene-Lapse is a rotating time-lapse device made for GoPro cameras. It allows you to capture incredible panoramic photos and video with ease. Simply twist the top of Scene-Lapse clockwise to set the duration of your time-lapse. Scene-Lapse spins up to 360 degrees in 60 minutes. Scene-Lapse features a direct GoPro connection and includes a high-torque thumb screw, allowing you to secure your GoPro tighter and stronger. The top of Scene-Lapse features a 1/4-20 screw that is accessed by removing the GoPro connection, while the bottom of Scene-Lapse houses a 1/4-20 connection. Use Scene-Lapse in conjunction with other GoPro mounts such as GoPro Base for stability on uneven surfaces, or GoPro Reach to gain clearance from objects that are blocking your shot. Expand the way you use your GoPro with Scene-Lapse 360-degree time-lapse device.